Hello everyone, let's continue with memory management. So, in memory management, first thing is main memory. So, main memory, that is also known as primary memory, that is also known as physical memory, and also called random access memory. So, main memory, that is primary memory, that is physical memory, and random access memory. Next thing, that functions. What is the function of memory management? So we can say function of memory management is allocation and deallocation of memory to the process. Okay, so what is the function of memory management? Allocation and deallocation of the memory to the process, राइट तो एलोकेट करना डी एलोकेट करना मेमोरी को, ये क्या रहेगा? दिस इज द फंक्शनलिटी ऑफ द मेमोरी management. Now, memory that can be word addressable or that can be byte addressable. If it is a word addressable, here this is what the example. It can be like 2 kilo word. Okay. If it is a byte addressable, here this is the example. It may be 4 kilobyte, 2 kilobyte, 8 kilobyte, like that. Okay. Next thing, this is what a memory is given, and it is divided into these slots, right, or cells, right, and this one is known as a word, right. तो ये जो सेल दिख रही है इसको क्या बोला जाता है? दैट इज नोन एज ए वर्ड, and each word is made up of 16 bit here, right, and total cells are 0 1 2 up to so on 7. 0 to 7, that is 8 number of cells are there. We can say total words are 8, right. So total number of words are 8, and each word size is what? 16 bit. 8 word and each word size is 16 bit. Then we need to find out the capacity of main memory. Okay, so now can you tell me what will be the capacity of this memory? Capacity of main memory. So in this one, what will be the capacity of main memory? Yes, try once. Okay, now let's see what will be the capacity of main memory. To find out the capacity of main memory, this is what the formula, that number of words inside the main memory and word size. So number of words are 0 1 2 up to so on 7. So 0 to 7, total 8 words are there. So number of words are 8, and multiply by the word size. Each word size is 16 bit. 16 bit means it is 2 byte. 2 byte. And in question they are asking that what will be the memory in byte? Bytes में memory size क्या होगा, right? So here it is 2 byte. So multiply by 2 byte, right? It means capacity of main memory, that is 8 into 2, 16 byte. 16 byte, that is the capacity of main memory. ओके, और अगर वर्ड में पूछता फिर क्या होती? चलो एक बार कंफर्म करेंगे कि यहाँ तक क्लियर है. कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेन मेमोरी इन बाइट, दैट इज 16 बाइट. ये क्लियर है? क्लियर है, ओके। नाउ वर्ड्स में बताना मुझे इसकी कैपेसिटी क्या होगी, व्हाट विल बी द कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेन मेमोरी इन वर्ड्स। बाइट्स में तो 16 बाइट हो गया, वर्ड्स के केस में क्या होगी। Okay, let's see. So one word equal to 16 bit na, here it is given. Okay, we require the capacity in word, it means 16 bit means one word, right? So total words are 8, so we can say here it is 8 word. This is what the capacity of main memory in word. Okay, तो word के केस में क्या रहेगी, simply 8 word, but byte में क्या रहेगी, it will be 16 byte. Now tell me it is clear or not. देखो, वर्ड का मतलब क्या था, 16 बिट का मतलब क्या था, वन वर्ड है ना। तो इसको अगर वर्ड में काउंट करें तो ये क्या हो गया, वन वर्ड। ये भी नेक्स्ट क्या हो गया, ये भी वन वर्ड है, ये भी वन वर्ड है, इसका साइज है ना। तो ऐसे ऐसे कितने वर्ड हो गए, टोटल 8 हो गए ना। वर्ड साइज क्या हो गया, वन वर्ड, बस 16 बिट का है ना। ठीक है ना, तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी 8 वर्ड। तो लॉजिकली ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे इतना नहीं बन रहा, बट फिर भी मतलब यू कैन अज्यूम लाइक दिस कि 8 वर्ड यहाँ पे क्या रहेगी कैपेसिटी, क्योंकि ऐसे केस में पूछेगा यही क्वेश्चन कि बाइट में क्या रहेगी, है ना। डन। ओके, ओके फाइन। Now let's see the next question. So here this is what the next question given, that main memory has 256K words. Main memory has 256K words, and so you can think like this is what the main memory, right? And here it is, these are the words. So total here it is 0 to 256 k minus 1 word. Okay, 256 k minus 1 word, and each word size of 64 bit. ये word का size, each word size that is 64 bit. Then what is the capacity of main memory in word and byte? वर्ड में क्या होगी और उसकी बाइट में कैपेसिटी क्या होगी, यस फाइंड आउट। Okay, let me simplify. So one thing we should know about this thing, that 8 bit means it is 1 byte. Okay, so 8 bit, that is equal to 1 byte. Another thing, here it is given that total number of words are 256k minus 1. 0 to 256k minus 1 means total 256k word, right? K is nothing but 1024 or 2 power 10 number of words. Okay, so total words are, that is 256k, 256k, because this is what the formula for capacity equal to number of words multiply by word size. So number of words are 256k multiply by word size. वर्ड का साइज क्या है? फर्स्टली बाइट एड्रेसेबल देख रहे हैं, बाइट में क्या आएगा? ओके, सो 64 बिट, 64 वन वर्ड इक्वल टू 64 बिट। 64 बिट का मतलब कितना हो गया कि एक बिट का मतलब क्या होता है? 8 बिट का मतलब होता है 8 बाइट। तो क्या कर दो, इसको 8 से डिवाइड कर लो, तो कितना आ जाएगा? इट इज 8 बाइट, राइट ना? सो हियर वन वर्ड इक्वल टू 8 बाइट, तो वन वर्ड का साइज क्या हो गया? 8 बाइट। सो फाइनली इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 256k, 256 मीन्स इट इज 2 पावर 8, k मीन्स इट इज 2 पावर 10, right? And 8 means 2 power 3, 2 power 3, and here it is byte. Okay, so here we can say this is what 8 plus, when our base is same we can add the power, है ना? So 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, so 2 power 21 byte. 2 power 21 byte can be written as 2 power 1 into 2 power 20 byte, and 2 power 20 is equal to megabyte, right? So we can say here it is 2 megabyte. This is what the capacity of main memory in byte. Okay, so before this one you should know about some of the basic, I will tell that one also. Okay, तो एक बार कंफर्म करेंगे क्लियर है या नहीं? क्लियर है? ओके, फाइन। So okay, fine. So you should know about 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 3 means 8, 2 power 4 means 16, 2 power 5 means 32, 2 power 6 means it is 64, 2 power 7 means 128, and 2 power 8 means it is 256, and 2 power 9 that is 512, and 2 power 10 means 2 power 10 means it is 1024, 1024, that is equal to k, kilo, right? And if it is 2 power 20, that is equal to m, mega. And if it is 2 power 40, sorry, it is 30, 2 power 30, just a minute, if it is 2 power 30, that is equal to giga, right? And if it is 2 power 40, that is equal to tera. Okay, so this is clear or not? These points are clear or not? You can use the byte here, right? So here 1024 means these many kilobyte, here megabyte, here gigabyte, and terabyte. So these are the basic things you should know about these. Another thing, 4 bit equal to 1 nibble, and 8 bit equal to 1 byte. Okay, 8 bit equal to 1 byte. So is it clear to all? Yes. What about others? Clear. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's see the next thing. So next thing is the question. अच्छा, ये बाइट्स में हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया. व्हाट विल बी द कैपेसिटी इन वर्ड? वर्ड में कैपेसिटी क्या रहेगी इसकी? टेल मी. व्हाट अबाउट द कैपेसिटी इन वर्ड? 8. It is not the right answer. Okay, it is not the right answer. So here it is 0 to 2 power 0 to 256k minus 1 total number of words, right? Total number of words are these many, and word size is means one word equal to 64 bit, right? What will be the capacity of main memory in byte? Sorry, byte में तो हमने find out कर ली. In word, capacity of main memory in words. So here it is number of words multiply by the word size, multiply by word size. So tell me, how many words are there? Total number of words are how many? 256k. So total number of words are 256k, and word size is what? हमें बाइट में नहीं चाहिए ना, हमें किस में चाहिए? वर्ड्स में. सो वन वर्ड इक्वल टू 64 बिट. okay, or we can say 64 bit equal to one word. So here it is multiply by one word simply, because हमें रिजल्ट वर्ड में ही चाहिए ना, तो वर्ड आ जाएगा सिंपली. तो रिजल्ट क्या रहेगा? दैट इज 256k वर्ड, 256k वर्ड, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेन मेमोरी इन वर्ड. इसको फर्दर ऐसे लिखा जा सकता है. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 256 मीन्स 2 पावर 8, k means 2 power 2 power it is 10 वर्ड. ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है इसको, है ना? और इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है 2 power 18 वर्ड. दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. otherwise it can be written as 256k word. okay, so all these things are. मेगा नहीं कह सकते, वी कैन नॉट से मेगा, बिकॉज मेगा मीन्स वी रिक्वायर 2 पावर 20. 2 पावर 20 यहाँ पे वन कहीं पे भी नहीं बन रहा ना, 2 पावर 20, राइट ना? तो इसको ये बोला जा सकता है 2 पावर 18 इंटू दिस वन, ऐसा लिखा जा सकता है. वी कैन से 2 पावर 18 वर्ड, 256k वर्ड ऑल्सो. ये सब हो सकता है, कोई भी आंसर हो सकता है इनमें से. डन. सो ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक अब बेसिक आपका क्लियर हो गया है, और आई होप दैट यू विल फाइंड आउट द आंसर फॉर दिस वन. So let me tell about the question. So main memory has 512k words. So this is what the main memory, and in this main memory total number of words are 0 to 512k minus 1, right? 0 to 512k minus 1 total number of words. जैसे 0 to 9 कितने होते हैं, टोटल 10. दैट्स वाई आई एम सेइंग it is 0 to 2, 512k minus 1. Okay, and then what is the each word size? Each word size is 16 byte. So we can say one word equal to 16 byte. One word equal to 16 byte. Then find the capacity of main memory in byte and word. Yes, what will be the capacity of main memory in byte and word? और इस बार उम्मीद है मुझे आप फाइंड आउट कर लोगे इसकी कैपेसिटी. Okay, main memory in byte, that is 8 megabyte. Okay, 8 megabyte. Okay, we'll check for that one. What about others? Eight megabyte. Okay, that may be right answer. So we'll verify that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, in words it is 512k word. Okay, so total number of words are 512k, right? So capacity of main memory equal to number of words multiplied by the word size. So what are the total number of words? Number of words are 512k. So here it is 512k multiplied by the word size. What is the word size? It is 16 byte. So word size is 16 byte. 16 byte. One word equal to 16 byte. So now we can simplify this one. So 512k means it is 2 power 9 multiplied by 2 power 10 and multiply by 2 power 4 byte. So here it is 19 plus 4 is 19 plus 4 is what? It is 23. So 2 power 23 byte. 2 power 23 byte. This can be written as 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 20 byte. So 2 power 3 means that is 8 and 2 power 20 means mega and here it is byte. So finally we can say here memory capacity is what? That is 8 megabyte. So in byte it is 8 megabyte. So is it clear to all? Here it is byte given, right? So this is what? Byte. Done. Is it clear to all? And what about the कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेन मेमोरी इन वर्ड्स, वर्ड्स में क्या होगी? So tell me, total number of words are how many? It is 512 key, right? So 512 key multiply by the word size. Word size means 16 byte means one word, और word में चाहिए कैपेसिटी, तो word, one word का मतलब one word, so multiply by one word. Simply it is 512 k word. This is what the capacity in word, right? This is what the capacity in words. Now confirm me, is it clear to all? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so next thing is the RAM chip implementation. RAM chip implementation. So here RAM chip size is 128 byte and organize the memory capacity of 16 kilobyte, right? So RAM chip size is 128 byte and organize the memory capacity of 16 kilobyte. Then first thing we need to find out the number of RAM chip required. Number of RAM chip required. Second thing, draw the memory organization map. And third thing, size of decoder required. What will be the size of decoder required? RAM chip size is 128 byte. What is the meaning of this one? It means this is what a chip, RAM chip, and it is divided into 128 byte. 128 byte means, it means these many number of row and these many number of columns. So column means 8, it is a byte. Byte means equal to, byte equal to 8 bit, means total columns will be 8. So in the RAM chip number of columns will be 8, that is 0 to 7. Okay, after that number of rows are 128. Okay, so here it is 0 1 up to so on 127. So 0 to 127, that is 128. This is what the structure of the RAM chip, right? This is what the structure of the RAM chip. So is it clear to all? RAM chip structure, is it clear to all? ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, ऑर्गेनाइज द मेमोरी कैपेसिटी ऑफ 16 किलोबाइट, राइट? तो हमें क्या करना है, मेमोरी कैपेसिटी 16 किलोबाइट की बनानी है. तो ऐसी ऐसी कितनी रैम चिप्स की रिक्वायरमेंट आएगी वो अपने को देखना है, राइट? सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ रैम चिप रिक्वायर्ड. नंबर ऑफ रैम चिप रिक्वायर्ड, number of RAM chip required. Can you tell me how many how many RAM chips are required? Yes, number of RAM chip required. So number of RAM chip required means total capacity of main memory, total capacity of main memory divided by the RAM chip size, RAM chip size. Okay, so total capacity of main memory is what, 16 kilobyte divided by the RAM chip size. RAM chip size is 128 byte. Okay, so byte to byte cancel, and here it is 16 means we can say 2 power 4, and kilo means 2 power 10, and here it is 128 means 2 power 7. तो क्या कर सकते हैं, कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे इस पावर को, तो यहाँ पे कितनी बच गई 3. सो 3 + 4 7 means 2 power 7, which is equal to 128 number of RAM chip required, right? So number of RAM chip required, that is 128. So first question is resolved. So tell me, it is clear or not? Clear? Okay. And second thing, okay, what about others? Clear. Okay, fine. Next thing, we need to draw the memory organization map, so we'll draw that one. What about next thing, size of decoder required, what will be the size of decoder? So that's depend on this one, that total capacity of main memory divided by the RAM chip. So total capacity is what, 16 kilobyte, 16 kilobyte divided by the 128 byte. So this portion is representing the number of columns, and this will represent the number of row. Okay, so columns byte divided by byte क्या हो जाएगा, that is equal to 1. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि जो मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैप ड्रा करेंगे ना, उसमें सिर्फ सिंगल कॉलम रहेगा, राइट? कॉलम कितना रहेगा, सिंगल. सो हियर नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स आर 1. व्हाट अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ रोज? तो मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैप जब ड्रॉ करेंगे तो उसमें जैसे इस तरीके से क्या होगा, मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैप बनेगा, तो उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ रो बनेंगे वो अपने को देखना है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ से पता चलेगा नंबर ऑफ रोज. सो 16K डिवाइड बाई 128, इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 2 पावर 7. और 2 पावर 7 ये जो नंबर ऑफ रो आए हैं, यही क्या डिसाइड करेंगे, डिकोडर का साइज डिसाइड करेंगे, राइट? सो व्हाट विल बी द साइज ऑफ डिकोडर? डिकोडर का साइज क्या रहेगा, दैट विल बी 2 पावर 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 2 पावर 7. just a minute, this is what, 7 into 2 power 7. this is what the size of decoder. so here 17 नहीं आएगा, 7 into 128, this is what the decoder size. ठीक है, तो नंबर ऑफ रो से क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, डिकोडर का साइज. जो पावर में होगा वो क्या होगा, इनपुट का काम करेगा. 7 इनपुट होंगे और टोटल 2 पावर 7 ये क्या होंगी, दैट विल बी द आउटपुट लाइंस. ठीक है, तो 7 क्या होंगी, जो पावर है वो क्या बताएगी कि दिस मैनी इनपुट लाइंस मीन्स 0 to 6, 7 इनपुट लाइंस, एंड total number of output lines are, it is 128. okay, so this is what the size of decoder. now confirm me, size of decoder is clear or not? yes, size of decoder is clear or not? Clear? Clear. Okay, fine. Now, final thing is what we need to draw the memory organization map. How to draw the memory organization map? Let's draw the memory organization map. So in the memory organization map, we know that 2 power 7 number of row will be there. So number of rows are 2 power 7. These row 0 to 126, 126, yes. So total number of rows are 127. And how many columns will be there? Columns are one only. So here it is single column, right? और जितने रो होंगे उसमें क्या होंगी, उतनी ही रैम चिप आएंगे. ये जो रैम चिप थी ना, जिसका साइज क्या था 128 बाइट, तो ऐसे ऐसे रैम चिप बनेंगे. कितने? 0 to 126. Total number of RAM chips will be there, and each one having size 128 byte, 128 byte, 128 byte. ओके, इसका मतलब ये जो डिकोडर में है, इसकी जो आउटपुट लाइंस हैं, ये क्या बताएंगी कि नंबर ऑफ रैम चिप्स कितने होंगे, है ना. और यहाँ पे कॉलम्स क्या बताएगा कि इनको अरेंज किस वे में किया जाएगा. तो सिंगल कॉलम मीन्स सिंगल सिंगल चिप होंगे हर एक रो में. हर एक रो में क्या होगा, सिंगल सिंगल चिप रहेगी. दिस इज व्हाट द मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैप. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द memory organization map. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes. 0 to 6 टोटल 7 इनपुट लाइंस बनेगी ना. ये 7 इंटू 128 का डिकोडर है ना, तो 7 तो क्या होंगी यहाँ पे इनपुट लाइन. 0 to 6 कितना होता है, 7. नाउ इट इज फाइन. क्लियर? ओके. Now this is the next question related to the RAM chip implementation. You take the screenshot of this one. This is the homework for you. Okay. So have you taken the screenshot? What about others?